Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, to see more videos like this in the future.
Hi, in this video, I will present you COSTWAY Toaster Oven Countertop. 7-in-1 convection oven with air fry. Bake, broil, toast, dehydrate, pizza, warm function, 1550 watts air fryer toaster oven with timer, temperature control, 5 accessories. About this item. 7-in-1 versatile air fryer oven. Featuring 7 preset cooking functions, this electric air fryer toaster oven will simplify any kitchen task from air frying, broiling, baking to toasting, dehydrating and warming. Our convection oven will satisfy all your diverse cooking needs by making a variety of cuisines. And you can select the ideal modes through adjusting function switch. Healthy oil-free air fryer, different from the traditional way of cooking with hot oil. This convection toaster oven adopts up and down balance heating. 4 heating tubes on the top, 2 on the bottom, to fry up food. The adjustable temperature from 250 to 450 drives out the extra fat in the food, while maintaining the crispy taste of traditional way. Large family size and safety guarantee, our air fryer toaster oven could easily fit 6 slices of toast, a 9 inches pizza, 3 pounds chicken wings and a 4 pounds chicken in the 19-quart interior space. You can make plenty of food for the whole family. Besides, non-slip foot pads, heat-resistant handle and oven mitt will provide further safety assurance. 4 knobs for easy operation. 4 electroplated knobs help you control the time, temperature and cooking mode effortlessly. You can set the temperature from 250 to 450 and the time from 0 to 60 minutes as you want. Meanwhile, the additional toast timer from 0 to 8 minutes provides with 3 baking color options: light, med, dark. Dishwasher-safe accessories and considerate design. This air fryer toaster oven comes with 4 dishwasher-safe cooking accessories including fry basket, oven rack, baking pan and crumb tray. All accessories are removable for easy cleaning. Additionally, transparent window and interior lighting allow you to monitor the food easily while cooking.